The housing market has been affected by the recent inflation increases on a local level in West Texas, but potential homeowners still have the opportunity to buy a home with the right help. Our Adriana Alexander has the details.
Owning a home has been a part of the American dream for centuries. But since the rise of interest rates this year, San-Angelo Realtor Mimi Clark says that dream can become a financial nightmare for some.
With the interest rate spike, people are really surprised how it changes their monthly payment that they're going to have to make. So someone who qualified for a $200,000 mortgage before can still probably qualify for that, but the interest rate affects their monthly payment. So they might not be comfortable as they were before with the lower interest rates since it's going to be a higher payment.
But Clark went on to say despite the increase, home buying hasn't gone down. She says there are about 163 homes currently on the market in San Angelo, with more than half of them now under contract. Texas A&M economist researcher Claire Losey says the increase of home buying in some areas has to do with people buying homes now as rates may get even higher.
We're actually seeing potentially a surge in demand because potential home buyers are actually trying to lock in rates right now, because expectations are that rates are going to continue to rise. So there's, maybe this frenzy right now of, trying to just lock down rates, even though they're certainly higher than they were at the beginning of the year.
And in Abilene, the Abilene Realtor Association's Ken Hogan says while interest rates have spiked, buying a home is still very possible.
Even at a roughly 5% mortgage rate, it's still significantly lower than the late 80s, early 90s when the rates were at 10 and 12. Homeownership is still the American dream, and at a 5% rate, it's still affordable, especially out here in West Texas.
The most important recommendation is to do your research and find a trusted professional realtor to make sure you're ready for the big investment. Adriana Alexander, Fox West Texas.